Hi guys, ito nga po pala yung binook naming Tomorrow Hotel dito sa Taipei. Ito ay malapit sa Ximending night market. So ito po yung loob. So ito naman po yung CR with bathtub. Nasa 10th floor po kami. So itong room na to is good for 2. Ayan po, ganito po kalaki yung CR nila. Yan, with provisions naman ng shampoo and soap, and with towel na rin. Wala lang din kasamang toothbrush, and wala ring bidet yung CR. So ito po yung bed namin na good for 2. Yan, yung TV with small table. Yan. And take note lang po, meron pong charge ng 1,000 NTD or Taiwanese dollar, which is equivalent to $100. So ganito po yung kalaki yung room. So sarado po yung bintana, wala kang makikitang view dyan. So wala ring ref or mini fridge, wala. So ang free lang is yung dalawang bottled water. So yan, ito po yung Ximending District dito sa Tomorrow Hotel.